Hi Nursery, today we're going to play a game. My game is called I Spy. It's a game about letter sounds. You have to listen for the sound at the beginning of the word. I've got some toys here. I've got monkey, tiger, and I've got some paint. Monkey, tiger, and paint. And here is the letter. Can you see that one? Which one begins with the sound Is it monkey? Is it tiger? Or is it paint? Monkey, tiger, or paint? Which one begins with for monkey. Here he is. Say hello, monkey. For monkey. For monkey. Well done, nursery. We'll say bye-bye to monkey. Bye. Now we've got tiger, paint, and doggy. Dog, paint, tiger. Let's see what sound we're going to look for, listen for. It's a listening game. We have got letter T. Is it T? Actually, don't say T, say T. Is it T for tiger, paint, or dog? T, T, T. Tiger, paint, or dog? T for tiger. It's me. I begin with T, the sound T. T for tiger. Bye-bye, tiger. Say bye-bye. T, T, tiger. Okay. The next one we have is P. So we've got P, 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 P. Is it P for dog? Is it P for book? Or is it P for paint? P. Which one begins with the sound P? Dog, paint, or book? Can you guess? P, P, P. Paint. P for paint. P, P, paint. Right. I spy with my little eye something beginning with, let's get one more toy. We've got snowman, dog, and book. Book. Can you see the book? I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. B. Is it B for, oh sorry, silly Miss Smith, D. Is it D for dog, snowman, or book? D for whoop, 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 whoop. D for dog. D, d, dog. I spy with my little eye. I've got a scarf now. I've got a scarf. Ooh, a scarf, a snowman, and a book. I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. B. Is it B for book, B for snowman, or B for snake? Oh, snake, scarf. Scarf, snowman, or book? B. B for book. B for book. Book. Okay, let's try another one. Got snowman, scarf, and alligator. Oh, this is an alligator. Shut your mouth, alligator. Oh, I don't know how to close it. Alligator, scarf, and snowman. And we're looking for I spy something. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S. S. Actually, I tricked you. There's two things beginning with S. Snowman, scarf, and alligator. Which one begins with the sound S? S. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S. S for snowman. Snowman, S. Snowman, and S for scarf. Put my scarf on. For scarf. S. Scarf. Okay. Well done, you're very good at playing I Spy. Let's try the next one. Oh! I've got cup, rocket, and alligator. Let's see what sound is next. Ah. Is it A for alligator, A for rocket, or A for cup? Rocket, cup, alligator. A, A, A. A is for I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. Alligator. Alligator. Oh, he has a very big mouth. Alligator. Right, let's get something else. Oh, sorry, nursery. I spy with my little eye something beginning with K. K, is it ladybird, cup, or rocket? I spy with my little eye something beginning with K. K for cup. K, K, cup. Well done. You have to listen very carefully so you can hear the first sound of the word. Last one now. We've got a ladybird and a rocket. I spy with my little eye something beginning with R. It's a rocket. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. R for rocket. Okay, let's see if you can remember the letter sounds. We've got We've got T. We've got K. How about this one? Ah! S. You remember this? Oh, I think it's upside down. No, it's not. It's correct. This one is B. This one is D. And this one is R. Well done. Now, do you know why we're learning our letter sounds, nursery? We are learning our letter sounds so that we can read. I wonder if I can do this on my own. We've got a K, a A, and a T. K, A, T. This one is K, this one is A, and this one is T. And if we put that all together, it says cat, cat. So we are learning our letter sounds so we can read the words. Let's try one more. A. And one more. D. Add. 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 Mad. He's gone mad. He's gone crazy. Mad. So that, nursery, is why we're learning our letter sounds. So please practice your letter sounds, and there are some Starfall games on this website, and there's some songs, jolly phonic songs, super simple songs, and please practice your letter sounds so when you come back to nursery you're really clever. Good listening, nursery. Well done. Tomorrow there'll be a story on here and there'll be some more lessons after that. Okay? And you can do all the lessons more than once. That's good to practice. You get really good. Take care, nursery. Till next time. Bye.